Psychology says one of the deepest pains isn't rejection, it's being chosen only after someone better said no. If you were never the favorite, never the first call, never the priority. This video explains what that does to the mind, not the personality, the mind. 1. You became very good at reading people. When you get ignored enough, your brain starts paying close attention. Psychology calls this rejection sensitivity. You notice tone changes fast. You catch small pauses. You feel distance before anyone admits it. Not because you're insecure, but because your brain learned that being left out happens quietly. So it trained itself to watch for the signs early. 2. You learned to depend on yourself. Support came and went, your brain adapted. Studies in developmental psychology show that inconsistent care builds strong self-reliance. You stopped waiting to be rescued. You stopped needing reassurance. You learned to handle pain alone, solve problems alone, celebrate alone. You don't hate help, you just stopped expecting it to stay. 3. You give more than you receive. Attachment psychology explains this well. When you grow up feeling replaceable, you try to become someone people can't replace. So you give more time, more effort, more patience, more grace. Not because you're weak, but because somewhere along the way, you learned that love had conditions, and you kept trying to meet them. 4. You fear being temporary. Psychology links emotional neglect to one quiet belief, that you can be replaced at any time. So you shrink your needs, you avoid conflict, you accept less than you deserve. Not because you fear being alone, but because you fear being quietly swapped for someone better. That fear runs deep, and most people around you never even notice it. 5. Your emotional strength is invisible. Research on resilience shows something clear. People who face repeated social exclusion build high emotional endurance. You can handle disappointment without falling apart. You stay calm when things go wrong. You don't panic when people leave, because you've already been through it. Your strength doesn't look like confidence, it looks like stillness, and most people mistake it for not caring. 6. You value loyalty over everything. When affection felt unstable growing up, the brain shifts its focus. It stops chasing excitement. It starts chasing safety, honesty, consistency. Being chosen once means very little to you. What matters is being chosen every single day, without conditions, without comparison, without someone better having to say no first. If this felt too accurate to be a coincidence, you're not alone, and you're not imagining it. Psychology sees these patterns clearly, even when the people around you never did. This channel breaks down human behavior in a way that actually makes sense. Not to label you, but to help you understand yourself better than anyone ever bothered to. Subscribe if you want content that finally explains the things you always felt but never had words for. Because once you see the pattern, you stop blaming yourself for it.